Subscribe Atis Technologies. Click on start. Next. Tick all and next. Let's connect Wi-Fi. Connect to the Wi-Fi first. And click on OK. Wait few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. Now don't copy. Enter any password but not OK. Use Google instead account. Click on that. We don't know. Go back. Now turn on the talkback. Press and hold volume plus and minus for 10 seconds. Press and hold simultaneously. Turn on shortcut. Now talkback will on. Close the tutorial. Allow this. Add network. Click on globe icon and click next. Double tap screen and draw the two fingers on horizontally. Now options will come. Click settings. Now turn off the talkback. Go back on screen. Go to braille display. New in talkback. Turn on accessibility menu. Turn on. For emergency purpose, accessibility menu is important. Now click and say open YouTube. Okay. Click on account icon. Go to settings. History and privacy. Don't use Google account. Now type Enter Tech Pro. Enter Tech FRP bypass. Open the link on top. Slowly scroll the menu. Setting is not open. Select Easy Share. Easy Share will open. Click all accept and next button. Click on phone clone. This is new phone. Select Android and OK. Allow all the options. We want to use another phone for FRP bypass. I am already installed the Easy Share and Activity Launcher. Now open the Easy Share app on another phone. Click on phone clone. Select this is old phone and the QR code is come. Now scan the QR code on new phone. All the apps and call logs will come. Now deselect all things and only select apps. Only send activity launcher only. and next, and next. Start cloning, and the app will come. Let's see on the top history option. Click on app menu and run the activity launcher. Wait for a few seconds. Now open Android setup. Click on Android setup. Slightly open differently temporarily. Click on that option. Open that, and will Android setup will be open. Click on next. Skip button. Yes, next button. Copy and no cable. Click on no cable, without cable. Leave that, and next button. Okay. And the old phone we have installed already Google account. Press on old home button and say set up my new device. Getting started on click next, and the old and new phones are all same colors appear, and click on next button. Copy, and the old phone's Google account will be copied on new phone, but confirm we have to enter the old password and click OK. I am forwarding fast. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Now already copied the account. Deselect all buttons and only send one app. Don't send all options, only send one app. Send button. Now Google account will be added a new phone. Skip and select Google button. Skip all these things and next button. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. And the phone will go home. Start firstly, and FRP will be bypassed on new account. This is the new 2025 method. Please subscribe my channel and like. Thank you very much.